All right, now let's move on to setting up our web design or web development environment, starting with installing the necessary text editors that we need, and like I mentioned earlier, the browser that you need to test the codes that you are going to write. I recommended Visual Studio Code, and to download Visual Studio Code, like I said before, you just need to go to your browser and do a Google search on Visual Studio Code. All right, the screen pops up and then just click on download. While Visual Studio is downloading, I already have my Chrome browser installed, but if you want to also download Chrome, you can just go to a new tab, type Chrome download, and you can easily download Chrome by clicking download now. All right, to download Visual Studio Code, you get to pick the operating system you are using. It could be Windows, Mac, or for those who are using Linux operating system, you can either download a Debian or a Red Hat installer. I'm using a Mac, so all I need to do is to download the Mac installation. And then after downloading the Mac installation, I can run the installation. I just need to do the same for Chrome. I click on download Chrome, and then the installer is downloaded onto my system. And then after the installer has been fully downloaded, I click on install and just go through the various processes for installing.